I wanted to do this reading for all the sun signs for singles. So, I'm just trying to do one long reading for all the sun signs. And let us see how do the rune stones talk to every sun sign. So, I'm trying to find out about your situation being single, and let us see what is the insight rune stones are giving. So first I start with this Aries. So I'm going to take out 5 rune stones and let us see what these rune stones are saying. Okay. So Aries, when I look at these stones, one I'm getting is that emotionally you're very, very secure. So you're not someone who gets worked up if you are with someone, or if you are meeting someone, or looking at things together or moving forward. You're very, very secure. You very rarely get taken in by jealousy or any such thing. One problem I'm seeing is that socially you're not welcoming of everyone. You like to be with this very close group of yours. You take your friends' advice very seriously, and you don't very easily mingle around with people. That could be holding you back. Also, when you're looking for somebody, or when you're looking for love, you're looking for someone who can meet you, with whom you can have meeting of minds, where the two of you can talk about things, or intellectually you want somebody at par with you. So maybe you want to discuss your ideas, or you want to do your business with this person, but you want meeting of minds. There is some financial situation also holding you back, where you feel that you're not able to dress up all that well or impress upon somebody as well, and you feel if you had little bit more money, maybe you wouldn't be single after all. That's how you feel. Is this affecting you, your being single? When I look at these stones, you are following lead of someone who may have been single for a long time, or is single and is telling you that it's okay to be single. So you are taking influence from someone that it's okay to be single and it shouldn't be bothering you or bothering in some way. So that's how your mindset is. So this is how I see the runestones talking to me. Maybe you want to be more embracing or welcoming of people you meet, new people that you meet, and you definitely want meeting of mind to happen with this person whenever you meet this person, or for love connection to happen. So let us see now what is the guidance for you, Taurus. So this is a general reading, general runestone reading for all the sun signs. So let me just, okay. So Taurus, these stones are telling me that Taurus, some of you are waiting. You have met some good people, okay? Like with whom you could have taken things forward romantically. You have met some very good and nice people, but you held it back because you were waiting for some divine sign that you should go ahead, or you should marry this person, or you should make things solid with this person only if there is a divine sign. Don't do this, Taurus, to yourself. If you meet someone nice, don't make being with someone so difficult for you. You should just take the plunge. And emotionally, again, you're very secure, very beautiful rune stone here, which is telling me you're very, very secure. And things are looking very good money wise also with you, but you want a equal partner financially. So you feel that if you have a good job or a business and you're making as much money, you would like somebody from similar background that your partner should be, or anybody you date, or would you like to marry or go ahead with certain social, certain scene with dating and romancing. You want this person to have a similar financial background like you, or should have as much money like you, or a good secure job like you. Socially, you feel your friends are not doing much, and you don't have many friends, Taurus. When I'm looking at these rune stones, it's telling me socially you don't have many friends, and that could be keeping you away from also, getting pushed into matrimony or finding love or being with someone. So I'm just saying that you don't have the peer pressure, or you're not discussing meeting nice people, or whoever you have met with lot of people, and that's why you're not got pushed into making a decision. So socially you are by yourself, you don't have many friends, you're not surrounded with as many friends. Health wise, there is some concern with you. I don't know if you're taking stress or if you're just generally worried, but there is a small I'm seeing a health concern with you. Maybe you're prone to some falling down every now and then, getting some scratches here there, or just getting this headache or something, or maybe you have specs, or you get your backaches regularly. I don't know what is the problem, but I'm seeing there's always some health issue going on with you. See, overall, when I look at the rune stones, they are telling me that there is no shortage of finding love with you. You have met some very good people, and it could have led to something strong and good, and dating scene also for you, but you just were waiting for a divine sign. So, and maybe, Taurus, if this is the way you want to go forward, but this is how I'm getting the guidance that why you're still single. So it is by choice, and you have made some very tough conditions for yourself to be in love. Now let us see how's the guidance for Gemini. Okay. So you are actively looking out for someone, and you may have told to a lot of people that introduce me to someone nice, or I would like to be with someone, I like to date someone, or just get to know someone very nice. You're actively searching, Gemini, and you have told people about it that I'm looking for someone nice, and a lot of people know about it. So you're doing the good part. You don't want to be single, and you're putting a lot of effort towards it. And one, your life is very good, Gemini. When I look at these rune stones, it's telling me your life is very, very good. You're provided with all the goodness, all the money, all the riches that can be had, or whatever you need to live a good life, you have it with you. So there's nothing missing as per se for you, in enjoying life, or how you like to live your life. Emotionally, you're a very, very beautiful person. You have a great bandwidth. It's like you are able to understand people so well and extend so much empathy and love to them. You're just a very beautiful person. Maybe because you have a pet or something, I don't know how you get this such a great emotional wavelength. You have a very nice emotional wavelength, and it's falling in love. If you meet the right person, falling in love for that person would be very easy for that person, because you have a very beautiful and a huge emotional wavelength. mm, there is something about money where you don't care about money, so you're also okay to marry someone or to be with someone or to date someone or to meet and ask someone out, whether it is something casual or something serious. You're okay to go outside your situation, or you're okay to move down a social tier and be with someone who may not be as well to do financially or socially. So there is no restriction for you. You are saying, I meet a good person or I like this person, I'm going to take things forward. So money per se doesn't control you, and things are, we're quite clear that you're just looking for a very nice person, and you like to meet a lot of people before you can date or meet someone. mm, your friends are also doing a lot for you, and I'm seeing there's a lot of help and support coming from your friends or your social circle, so nothing is holding you back. So Gemini, I see you just looking at these stones. You should be with someone very quick enough or quickly. I'm seeing your stones are very nice, very vibrant, and with such active energy you should be able to find someone quick enough and be with someone. So let us see how's the guidance for you, Cancer. Okay, first of all, these stones are telling me you are very successful, and a lot of times you get asked out, and you're doing a lot with your situation. It's just that you're not saying yes to anybody, or you may be casually meeting and dating people, but you yourself are holding it back. There's nothing that is stopping you or coming in your way. Also, you're welcoming of whatever shows up in the situation. It's like maybe you're not stuck up about a partner, that how a partner should be. You're quite willing and okay to meet a person and see how things work out. Overall, the stones are very good. You mentally, just how you think, you want somebody who's more of an extrovert, more of a traveler who likes to go out and instead loves outdoors than being indoors. So you're quite outgoing yourself, and that is the kind of person you want. And there's a lot of love in you, and you like to travel, you like to meet a lot of people, and maybe you're not just ready to settle down, Cancer. That's how I'm seeing these stones here. And you have lot of friends, and it's all beautiful stones here. And there is no, as I said, mental block in you. There's nothing that is holding you back. Whenever you make the decision to be with someone, things should work out. So energy here is very, very clear. Also, your situation is financially very nice. Money is not a consideration or botheration for you. Nothing money wise is bothering you, so you can pretty much be with whoever you like, or you can easily spend on things that you want. So this is how your runestone reading is, Cancer. Now let us see how's the guidance for you, Leo. You're actually, Leo, you're good with meeting someone who may be not from your line of work. So you're quite okay to meet someone completely from a different line of work, and nothing holds you back from how or who you want to be with. So you actually prefer someone who's not from your line of work. You're quite open to meeting any person per se, so the your maybe the person you want to date or go out with need not be from your line of work and can be from a very different line of work. You are quite okay with it. You don't want some same background or some same line of career. No. Emotionally you want someone to have lot of depth. You won't you're not okay with someone who's too young, or there is too much of age gap between you and this person. You want somebody emotionally to be there. And just how the rune stone is, it's telling me you may be wanting to date someone who's actually few years ahead of you. So you don't mind being with someone who's little bit age wise ahead of you, but you definitely don't want somebody emotionally who's frivolous or immature. You don't want that. Life is good, overall. Despite being single, life is very good and beautiful. You're enjoying it totally. You're going out, you're meeting, you're laughing. I'm seeing you're enjoying life totally. It's not like being single you're missing something. So it's a good life. And financially you are able to adjust and make things happen. So it's not like money wise you worry about things. You don't, because you adjust and then you make things work out for you. Overall your health is very good, and I'm seeing that you take a lot of holidays or you go on a lot of breaks. So that is the secret for you to maintain a good life. You don't stay put for too long, or you don't take on to the stress. You take a break quick enough or leave in quick enough, and then you try to make the most of your time. So this is very good set of rune stones which are just telling me this is someone who's enjoying life and is quite open to whoever the person you meet. And then, as I said, you would like to meet someone emotionally who's there, or who's little bit ahead, emotionally more mature. So this is how the guidance is for you, Leo. Now let us see what is the rune stone saying for Virgo. Okay. Ooh. You want expression of love first, Virgo, before you start to express. So it's like you want the other person to show interest in you, and only then you would like to proceed ahead. You're not someone who will make the first move. This is just how I'm seeing the runestone. So this is a general reading. Yeah, if you'd like a customized personalized reading, then you should write to me. But what I'm seeing here is that you want someone to make a move first or show interest in you first. Only then you would like to take things into consideration, or take things forward. You're not somebody who wants to make the move first. This is somehow just you have decided, or this is some mental block that you have. You can be overtly emotional, Virgo. When I'm seeing these stones, it's telling me sometimes you can be way too emotional. It's almost like you want to be somebody to babysit you emotionally over every small thing. It's nothing bad. Maybe if you meet someone nice, if you connect emotionally, things would be very nice. But you want to be understood very well, and even if you are not able to express, you want your partner to understand you. So you have some travel related work, Virgo. I'm seeing that your work requires you to travel a lot, and maybe because of that you're not able to find someone or be with someone. Your friends are guiding you right. There's a lot of wisdom in your friends. They're telling you that this is the right way to do it. do it this way, do it that way. They're guiding you all right, Virgo. So stones are telling me all things okay and good. It's just that I'm finding that you have a lot of travel that you do, maybe for work or for whatever reason, and that is why you're not able to find someone or settle down just yet. Maybe you'll take your time. So this is how the reading is for you, Virgo. Now let us see how's the guidance for all Libra. What are the rune stones saying? Okay. Right now you feel, Libra, that the most right person you can date or be going out with, or you could marry or settle down with, is someone from your social circle. You feel one of your friends is the most right fit for you, because he or she understands you in decision making, or how the two of you may be talking or connecting, and you're okay even if a person doesn't meet you half the way in understanding emotions or some such thing, but you want somebody very very successful socially. So it's like, you don't just want a background to match, you also want the success to match. So it's like you want someone who's perceived as successful as you are. So socially, someone who's very well received or is as well to do as you are is what you're looking for. And I'm seeing that you already may have squared down on some friend or somebody you may be asking to be with you or go out with you is already there on the way. So I don't know if this person is agreeing to go out with you or not, but you have liked someone from your social circle. Financially, I'm saying there's a bit of a constraint with you, Libra. Certain things are bothering you and you're not able to find a solution to it. It's like it is a small problem, but then you're not able to find solution to it. Maybe it's a debt, maybe it is something you've loaned money, or maybe just a bad investment that you have made, but money is starting to slightly bother you. You don't like mind games, Libra, at all. You like very genuine people and you want people to keep their promises. So whoever you want to go out with, you want to you are very particular that this person doesn't go back on their word, or not are not telling you some stories, and they will hold on to their promises. So you are a believer and a keeper in love, and you don't want any mind games. So this is how your situation is looking to me, Libra. Now let us see how's the guidance for you, Scorpio. Oh dear. Scorpio, some of you have not made peace with past love. A certain ex is with you mentally and emotionally and is showing up in these rune stones. Also, some of you have lost some bit of faith in love because how it did not work out with a certain ex. You have not made peace with something that did not work out in the past with a certain person or a partner. A certain love connection did not work out. Some of you want to blame your situation for being single, for not having enough money, but that is not the truth, Scorpio. The truth is you're not pushing hard enough or you did not try enough. It is not the reason for money, and you shouldn't be blaming less money or I did not have enough money for why you're single now. I'm just saying that you're not trying hard enough, and the reason is you're getting pulled back, or you're getting held back because of a certain past connection with the ex, and it still rides your mind and heart, and you have lost little bit, you know, you have lost little bit faith or hope in love, and it's taken a certain toll on you. Overall, you are feeling little bit stuck in your situation, Scorpio. So maybe time is a healer. You should let some time go, and some of you should, all I can say looking at this guidance is that you're not yet made peace with a certain past love connection. So you want to take time, and then whenever you're ready, the energy clears up, and then you're ready to fall in love or meet someone. Now let us see how's the runestone guidance for all Sagittarius. Oh dear. When I see this Sagittarius, your world is right now I, me, myself. Tell me more about I, me, myself. And what can I do, I, me, myself? With your heart and mind moving like this, you will not find space for someone else. Your heart is just full with just so much that you want, how you want it, that you are not going to find a person to walk into your life. Some of you need to be open up mentally. You need to make a mental decision that while what you want is very important, and your life is getting occupied completely by who you are and what your personality is, for love to happen you need to be more accepting and open up to the energy of acceptance, or having someone walk into your life. You're not even yet ready for it. I'm finding a lot of closed doors here, lot of closed energy here, where you are just focusing on yourself. So you need to be more accepting, and only then things will happen. I'm just seeing, as I said, I, me, myself, I, me, myself, or I, if I do this, then I get this, something like that. I don't know why your runestones are just talking about you and that you're not looking for anybody, but you need to come out of this energy. Some of you may be practicing being a saint or a monk, unless that is the case. I don't know why am I getting these stones here. It's almost energy of someone who's a monk, who's just shutting doors and saying, I like to be alone, don't disturb me. So, okay. And you don't even, worry about money. Emotionally, you feel whatever you want, you already have it. So it's like you're self-sufficient just by being yourself. So don't live this saint or monkhood kind of a life, Sagittarius, unless you truly want it. If you're looking to be with someone, then you'll have to come out of this very hard cover or this kind of energy. So you need to be first making a mental decision that you want to be with someone, and then maybe things will start to roll. Now let us see how's the guidance for you, Capricorn, for all of you who are single. Right now you're focusing on your career, Capricorn, and some of you are okay that if you don't meet someone right away, or if you're not you're actually thinking love is a distraction, and maybe you can avoid it and right now just focus on the career, or you feel being with someone is a distraction. You're quite occupied with your career and trying to make money. When also it's telling me emotionally, Capricorn, you should be changing your perspective. You shouldn't just think what this person, if or he or she you're dating with or you are with, you're just thinking, what if this person doesn't understand me, doesn't get me as a person, doesn't get my personality or individuality. Instead of thinking like that, like this, Capricorn, you should think that I can extend a lot of understanding, or I can talk about this, or I can, make a move of first putting in a lot of understanding in place or setting a certain emotional bond. So, emotionally, you're very unsure about what this new person or love energy can bring on board. So, instead of being worked up about it, maybe you can set a certain foundation or start to roll things on your own. Hmm. You also believe, Capricorn, that love will happen when you have truly met someone who's just like you or who can mirror you in a lot of ways, and you will instantly know that this is the person you're going to be with. So you are believing more on luck also, and right now, as I said, you're feeling that love is a distraction. So that is how you're single, Capricorn. Now let us see what is the guidance for Aquarius who are single. Mm, you are very low profile, Aquarius. And problem with being low profile is that you don't get noticed in a group, or if you go to some kind of a speed dating or something, you don't stand out. And if you stay low profile, you may find someone, but it may take its own long time, or its own share of weight. It may have a lot of patience for you to hold on to. Financially and money wise, situation wise, socially, you seem to be doing very well. And you have friends who do understand you very well. So you want someone who can understand you very well, can be friends with you. But then you take genuinely a lot of time to either make friends or even to get to know anybody. The reason is you like to maintain a low profile. I'm just seeing these stones telling me someone who likes to be found out, or you know likes to be guessed than be known. It's like you don't talk about yourself, you like to take a step away or step behind. Don't do this, don't do this, because I'm just saying there's a lot of patience that you will need, or you will need a lot of time then to find love. Also, emotionally also, you don't very quickly open up. So you stay in the background, you don't open up, and then you're happy with a lot of friends that you have. Things are all good, it's just that it's going to take a lot of time this way, because I'm seeing that you maintain a lot of low profile. Maybe it's time to change a bit and then start to talk about yourself, start to take some lead in talking to people, or if you like someone, you make the move, ask the person out. So this is how your guidance is, Aquarius, that why you are single. Now let us see, Pisces, what is the guidance I get for you. You're actually very close to being with someone. It's almost like you have decided to propose to this person, or you have made up your mind that this is the person you're going to be with, or asking this person out, and it's just maybe matter of days that you will do it. And I'm seeing a lot of success that is going to come with this asking, or proposing to someone. mm, you have lot of friends, Pisces, lots and lots of friends, and across circles. It's like if someone comes to deliver bread to you, the bread man is your friend. Somebody comes to collect garbage, the garbage man or a woman is also your friend. If an electrician comes home to fix something, electrician is a friend. At office, all your colleagues are your friends, your boss is your friend, everybody is your friend. You're very very social, very accepting of people across social tiers, and you make friends with everyone. You're very very social. So when I see these rune stones, yes, you're very close to making a proposal to someone. The reason is also because you're very very social. Financially, you get confused. You're not sure if people are meeting you for money or if they're truly interested in you, and that confusion is very small. So it's not like you are getting drained out of it or people are taking advantage of it, but it does cross your mind a lot of times that you have real friends, or are they just there for money. Health wise, some of you are doing very well. Maybe you run a marathon, or maybe you have your gym membership in place, or some sports that you're doing on regular basis. It's all going good with you, Pisces. You shouldn't be single for too long, and I'm already seeing that you are the one who's going to make a proposal, or you've decided that whoever this person is, if this person makes a proposal to you, you will say yes, or asks you out, you will say yes. So you're very close to being with someone. The stones are very very beautiful. So this is how the runestone reading is for all the sun signs. If you would like a reading with me with the runestones, and you can pretty much ask me any question, then I have just shared the details here.